How's it going? It is the SwickCrafters here. Today, we are playing the Silent Challenge, which basically means we're going to be playing survival games, and we are going to be teaming together, but we cannot speak to each other at all. Cannot type, cannot make any noise that is intelligent at all. We can make grunts, and we can point, and we can look at each other's screen because we are sitting right next to each other, but no intelligent conversation.
Alright, and honestly, I don't know the maps very well, so if he points to somewhere in the map, I'm not going to know.
Yep.
So, I think we're going to get right into it. As soon as we join the game, we are not allowed to speak.
We cannot teak, man.
We cannot speak. Okay. I'm just going in here, man.
Okay. Well, that didn't work.
Okay, that was a fail.
Oh my gosh, I need to pay more attention.
Oh my god.
I try-harded, but he was like reaching me out.
My chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink deep into my bones, take me out and feel the hole. Tear me apart, watch it burn. Tear me apart, watch it burn. That's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
Mm-mm.
If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Mouth to mouth, I breathe you in. Swallow down your jacket sin. Let it drown inside my veins. The sweetest poison I could take. You make it hard. The way that you scar with every word. But before we reach the end, strip me down again. Come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind. Come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind. Come and get it. Come and get it.
Yes! Dude, you wrecked them!
Oh my gosh, those guys were awful. Even that, I thought I was gonna lose that one guy and all that good stuff. I was like, no way.
Oh, dude, you wrecked that guy. He had so much better stuff and you wrecked him.
I got all the way around him. and just kept whipping his tushy.
Yes!
You guys couldn't see half of the stuff I did, but I enchanted the bow with a power 1. And basically got myself loaded out, ate my food, filled up my health, and just whooped these guys' tushies.
I was specking the whole time, but yeah, there was some... And you killed the 2 guys right before the death match? Oh my gosh, they had such bad stuff. Okay, guys, that just about wraps up for this video.
That
it only
was
took
so
us
intense.
2 tries. 2 tries.
If you guys liked our babbling and grunting that kind of sounded like a word, but didn't really, make sure you like, and if you liked our kind of non-existent commentary, make sure to subscribe. Alright, we'll catch you in the next video. See you later, guys.
Bye.